Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a shopping haul video. I went to Ross yesterday after like 5 to 6 months and got some great stuffs for a great price. Most of the items in Ross were on discount yesterday. The items I got were like for 30 to 50% discounted. So let's see what I got from Ross. The first thing I want to show you guys is this globe. I really liked it at the first sight, so I got this one. This is actually a best decor for both contemporary and traditional style. It is black in color with the silver letters in it, and it also has a small drawer for a small storage. This suits well in your console table or an entry table. The price of this one is actually 14.99 original price, and it is now reduced to 9.99. It's a great deal. The next thing I want to show you guys is this metal decor. So it's a simple metal decor with a gold finish in it. I really liked it because it's steady and the quality and the finish is really good. You will be surprised to know the price of it. The original price is actually $14.99, and now it is reduced to $4.99. I think for this price it's really a great quality and a good looking metal decor. I also bought this candle holder with the gold finish. So this candle holder is little big and the finishing is really good. The quality is also very good. So I got this for like $3.99. The original price is 5.99 and it is now reduced to 3.99. I got two of this to pair it with this metal decor which are all of gold finish. So let's see how it goes with this one. Yeah, it's actually not bad. So I'm planning it for my living room decor and I think it makes great. The next ones are my favorite. These are two cute pots. I really love it so much. I want to keep it in my kitchen countertop or near my kitchen window where I'm growing a lot of herbs and plants. So this one is too cute and the price is also really reasonable. So if you see, the original price is actually $6 and now it is reduced to $3. I got a smaller size as well in this one, so this is also so cute. And this one is just $2. I think we got a great deal on the pots yesterday. I'm not sure whether Ross is actually removing stuffs and clearing out stuffs and bringing in new stock. So it's a good time to visit Ross. This is my next favorite pot. This color is so vibrant. It is orange and white. I think these are acrylic paints and I really love this. So this will also be a good planter for some of my plants. So I'm just still thinking which one to plant here. And this one cost just $4. It's actually reduced from $8 to $4. Looks like these are all in the clearance section, so you can find a lot of planters in the clearance section. This is so cool. This is for my garden. Actually, I started harvesting and also I started pruning, so I need a good tool for that. So I got this one. It has two pruners and it cost 6.49. It is little expensive, but I feel like it is really good quality, so I got this one. And the next one is these small containers. So there is no clearance or discount in this one, but I really like the quality of this one, so I got this one for $5. The next item I want to show is the item I purchased for my daughter. So these are her shoes. These are cute little shoes and it's so pretty. It's actually you're not able to see it that good in the camera, but it's really good. The quality is also good. So this one is reduced from $14 to just $7. It's like 50% discount on it. And the next item I want to show you guys is a basic hair clip which I got. So this one is actually reduced from $3 to $2. And the last item I want to show you guys is again for my daughter. I got this cute little sandals, and I think I don't have the price tag on this one. Let me check. I think this is the price tag for this one. So it is actually reduced from $7 to $5. So that's all I got in Ross today, guys. It is such a great deal if you want to visit your local Ross store and find out some good items in a clearance sale. Thank you. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.